Modern elevators use Ethernet switches to ensure a smooth ride, so that engineers can remotely monitor the operation, and on-site maintenance is quick and easy. In a typical elevator control room, engineers are faced with three challenges: limited cabinet space, ensuring quick configuration, and minimizing downtime. Let's see how Moxa's smart switch meets the first challenge. The control cabinet's limited space must accommodate a wide range of electronic devices. At only 2 centimeters wide, Moxa's smart switch is the world's most compact switch and can fit in any cabinet easily. The smart switch also provides the versatility of 3 DIN rail positioning options. Choose the option best suited for your own cabinet space. After installation, engineers face the second challenge, reducing configuration time. With the smart switch's one-page configuration dashboard, your elevator engineers can quickly finish the switch setup and get your system up and running in no time. The clearly displayed dashboard interface and icons make it easy to update switch information. Access the maintenance menu, view the switch profile, and manage the switch log to view previous events. One click is all it takes to select which industrial protocol the switch will use. The third challenge comes when the elevator operation is down, and engineers are asked to fix the problem as soon as possible. Deploying a smart switch gives elevator engineers the freedom to monitor status and diagnose problems remotely through a SCADA system. With an easy SOP, maintenance staff sent on site will have no problem replacing one switch with another. The smart switch supports a configuration backup and restoration USB dongle. Once the dongle is plugged into the new device, configuration proceeds automatically. Your maintenance staff won't need to implement complex setup routines, and you can rest assured that your stalled elevator will be up and running in no time. Moxa's smart switch is the first of its kind. It supports a one-page configuration dashboard, 2 hardware installation options, and 3 protocols with one-click setup. Visit the website or download the Smart Switch application guide to learn more.